Good morning, everyone. I'm Falguni ma'am. I'm discussing about the country Bangladesh. Bangladesh is situated in the continent of South Asia. Its southernmost is surrounded by Bay of Bengal. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. The national flower is water lily of Bangladesh. The main rivers are Padma and Meghna. The main occupation is agriculture. National fish is Risha. National beast is Royal Bengal tiger. Was national poet is Kavi Nazrul Islam. Bangladesh in 2023 the population was 16 crore. It is a small country but huge population. The area is 1,47,570 square kilometer. Bangladesh is the most beautiful country. It is located between India and Myanmar. Thank you very much, my lovely guys.